If you're anything like me, you've got a ton of stickers from your favourite YouTubers, and you just have sort of like sticker regret, and you don't know where to place those stickers. You don't really want that permanent sticker being placed on its toolbox, etc. So I've got a way to show you a temporary solution to still have that sticker placed on metal objects, but not in a permanent application. First thing you want to do is grab some sticker packs from your favourite YouTubers. After you've done that, you want to grab some magnetic paper or magnetic sheet with an adhesive backing on the back of it. Next thing you want to do is stick your sticker on to the adhesive side of the magnetic paper. Once the sticker is stuck onto the adhesive side of the paper, then you just have to cut the sticker out and then clean up the edges, and then your sticker is all done and completed. I've butchered the corner down here at the bottom, but from afar it looks pretty good. Now let's go and put this on the toolbox. These magnets now can stick on any magnetic surface. If you want to put them on your fridge or your toolbox, or maybe a locker at work. Mighty Car Mods or Low Standards collab, question mark. But for these magnets, I'm going to place them on my toolbox. And with some YouTube magic, and they're all lined up because my OCD couldn't handle it. Thank you for watching the YouTube video. I'm trying my best to get out YouTube videos every now and again. I've got some projects that are on the way.